If you think you need yogurt and an overnight marinade to make whole tandoori chicken, this recipe might surprise you. Welcome back. Today we're making one of my favorite recipes from my book, The Curry Guy Barbecue. This is an easy one. We're going to be cooking a whole chicken over indirect heat on the barbecue. To do that, we're going to just go ahead and butterfly it because it'll cook faster and it's just nicer. Now, a lot of tandoori chicken usually will have no skin on it, but we're not using any yogurt in this marinade. So this is one that you could actually cook in about an hour because it's flat, and also you don't need to marinate it nearly as long. So I'm going to cut this butterfly right here down between the breasts. A lot of people will take out the backbone, but I find it lies flatter if you go through the breast, just like that. And we are going to take that over and just crunch it down. That's going to sit flat in my barbecue over indirect heat. Let's get started with the marinade. And the marinade's super simple. We got some tandoori masala, coriander, cumin, a little bit of amchur powder, some turmeric, some chili powder for spice, and some garam masala. And I'm just going to dump all that in there. Got a few tablespoons of oil, some garlic and ginger paste, and some salt. And now I'm going to cut this lemon. Don't worry about seeds because they'll all fall off. Just get the lemon juice in there. There we are. And also I've got a little bit of just white vinegar, distilled vinegar. I'm going to put that in there. It's going to get a nice tart flavor. And I'm just going to start working this around with my hands. I want to get it all nicely mixed up. So now I'm going to take my chicken and I'm going to add this to the marinade. Now, usually, if you were using a yogurt marinade, you'd want to take the skin off, but we're not today. So I'm just going to put it all over the skin there. And the reason I'm not taking it off is if we were putting yogurt in there, you'd have a crust of yogurt and then the skin would just not be right. It would just be a wet skin in the center before you get to the meat. But as we're doing this quite quickly today, just going to rub it all over so we get a nice crispy skin. Rub it all on the inside is there, making sure every bit of meat is covered. And you can even take it like this and just rub your finger right under the skin like that. And that'll give you a chance to get some more of that marinade right in there. Yeah, so you just get right underneath the skin there. Get as much of that marinade in there as you can. And we're just going to let this marinate now for about 30 minutes while my barbecue goes up to 250. So you're looking at around 250 Celsius for your cooking heat. And we're going to come back and put it on there when that is hot enough. Put it in. It's not quite ready yet, but we're going to go ahead and baste this. All this ghee and spices. That is looking so juicy right now. Absolutely amazing. Yeah, that's looking good. Okay, now we're just gonna shut that, and I say it's got about 5 more minutes. Take it out for a nice rest, about 2-minute rest, and we're gonna be trying it. This is gonna be amazing. All right, this is ready. That's looking so good. Fall apart tender. Oh yeah, look at that, it's falling apart. Look at that char, that's gorgeous. This is gonna be amazing. I'm gonna let this sit for about 5 minutes, then I'm gonna dig in. I think I'm gonna be able to just tear this off. Look at that. So juicy and gorgeous. I think I'll put some chili on this one too. A bit of chili. Chicken does not get any better than that. Oh my God. It's incredible. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. Hope you've enjoyed this video. We'll see you next time. Please make sure to subscribe. I'd appreciate it.